Go.
Hello guys, we have some Australian friends with my on my right and my left, and we will talk about cricket to them. Okay, welcome to my channel, friends.
Thank you. Nice to be here. It's a lovely day in Australia.
And it's a really very nice cricket inside. What are you guys doing outside with me?
We just saw you. You look like a nice guy. Nice thick haircut. You look like you know a bit about cricket. So we thought we'd come and talk to you.
Yeah, I'm from Pakistan, and you know Pakistan is also very they love cricket.
They love it.
Yeah, but unfortunately they're not so good. Australia number one, India number two, Pakistan maybe number 5, 6 in the world.
No, but
very poor performance.
you have a Google here.
Of course.
If you check, the last world champion is Pakistan in T20.
Well, in T20, where Test match cricket.
Okay, no,
Test match cricket.
Imam Haq is the best player in the whole world, man.
But
Shahid Afridi, amateur.
okay, how many players you know about Pakistan, like Pakistani cricketers?
Hundreds.
Oh, really?
I know all of them.
Was it Makram?
And you know one of the ex-captain
Yeah.
is now Prime Minister of Pakistan. Guess.
Khan.
Yes,
Khan. Was him Khan?
No, Imran.
Imran Khan.
Imran.
Yes. Because when we played here, Pakistan World Cup '92,
Yep.
and Melbourne, the final was in Melbourne, and Pakistan won that World Cup. At that time, Imran Khan was the captain.
Yeah, match fixed.
Yes, he is.
Yeah.
With who? Match fixed with who?
Yeah.
Which team?
Sports bet, you name it. Ladbroke.
India, Bangladesh, South Africa, everyone but Australia.
No, of course, Australia is a good team, and I'm Australian here as well.
Yes.
So I always support Australia, because if Pakistan is my country and I'm resident here, so Australia is my country too. So
Pakistan's good. I
Yeah.
go for Pakistan. I want them to come back, baby. They're good.
All my
Yeah.
mates at work, they're all Pakistan fans.
yeah, this year,
Very passionate.
end of this year, Australia hosting World Cup, T20 World Cup, and
Yes.
hope we can see the good cricket here this year.
Yeah.
You think good cricket T20 or Test match still better cricket?
I love one day.
Yeah, okay.
One day is
in
like
between, in between.
In between, yes.
Both worlds. You get the T20 and the Test in one.
In one, yeah, because in T20 you can't say anything. In Test it's too long, but the
Say.
one
Is
day.
this streaming live in Pakistan right now? I can assume so.
Yeah, I will give you that. I will give you the link.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys, for your
Alright.
lovely time.
Thank you.
Have a nice night. Bye bye.
Nice to talk with
Go
you
the
guys.
Aussies.
Yes, thank you.